I started running, I kind of wanted to die. It was just really bad. Today's hair wash day, and I'm so excited. It's becoming one of my new favorite things because I recently discovered this wavy hair routine that I really like, and it's just like fun for a change. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna do that later today because I don't have the time to do it this morning. I have to sneeze. There it is. Should I start up a podcast? Look at Ori. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna miss him so much. Look. It's like he knows I'm leaving. Oh my god. Shit.